Welcome to new tutorials. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will find and enjoy your life at the right moment. So now, in today's lecture, it's really simple. Today I'm going to make a circular desk that you can put something in it, like a tea desk, or you can see something else for it as well. So now let me start by draw a circle. Okay, and now let me draw another circle. But could you say that move it up to here? And now AR for array, and this is actually the polar. You can select either the circular path, or you can also. No, I'm going to this path. Wow, really, it's really great. But I'm going to okay, AR for array. Then I'm going to select the polar array. Oh, sorry. AR for array and the polar array, and I'm going to select the center. Oh, really great. So now I did the polar array. Actually, what is an array? You've already know, but I have made it into a circular pattern. And now what I want to do is actually I'm going to do boundary inside the regions to which I'm going to extrude as actually this region, and I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to extrude this region up to a height of up to a height of you can say 1. EXT enter and 1. Now it is extruded, but you don't see what you are in classic and the 2D wireframe. Oh, EXT for extrude. And 1. 1 is really very 1 is really high. So what to do? EXT extrude and 0.5. This is great. Now I'm going to tap you and the 2D wireframe again, and I'm going to extrude the remaining the small circles, like with the feet of the tables, or you can let us the something supportable regions for the table. Now extrude, sorry, B of boundary, like point, this, and this. Now XT for extrude, this one, and this one, up to half, or let's suppose 3. Now we see 3 is better or not. You can. Oh really? So now I'm going to delete this one, and this one. So now it is really proper, and it looks like you can change the color of the legs of the table as well. You can make it yellow, you can change this color, like you can. Wow, really, this is great. You can check it in 3D right now as well. So well, actually you have to remove, sorry, or you can say that you can imagine that you can do something like what I do. This is already, and Z enter, E enter, Z enter, or double enter, and I'm going to move all the drawings up to now. We see the top portion, how it look like. Really, this is great right now. 3DO. It is better. It is better. It is better. And I'm going to delete this one. And let's see. 3DO. Okay, so it is better. You can do what actually you can do you can do actually what. No, let me show that. And you can come into modify and solid editing and the fillet edge. I'm going to fillet this one, and this one, and fade for font. Why? Modify, solid editing, and this is fillet edge. Select an edge or loop or radius. I'm going 0.5 radius to add. No. Look at this. It's really very stunning. This is my edge. Or you can do that. What actually you can do? Solid editing. Come to fillet edge, and now I'm going at 0.1. Modify. Or radius 0.1. Now actually you can see this is really great right now. And I'm trying to delete remaining portions what I don't want, but it's unfortunately don't delete, so don't worry about. You can. Okay, I don't know what's the problem with me right now, but you can actually. This is not a difficult task for you people. Okay, so I hope you understand how to make a table having 3 legs, or either you can keep more than 3 legs as well, but that will look terrible. Okay, so I hope you understand, and thanks for watching. Wish you all the